everybody. Welcome back to Meals with Marcia. Today I want to share a recipe with you, and it is called pimento cheese grits. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. I found this recipe online, and I love cheese grits. I had a best friend, Becky. She's passed on, and she used to do regular cheese grits, and I love them. And we would eat them with shrimp. You know, shrimp goes good with grits. Any kind of fish or anything like that. Well, I'm craving crab legs today, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to make some pimento cheese grits. Like I said, I saw this online. Looks delicious. And I got the Pimento jalapeno cheese, pimento cheese. Now, if you want to make your own pimento cheese, you can. I have a recipe online for that, and it's so delicious on my YouTube channel if you want to do that. But I'm kind of in a crunch, and they have that on sale for $5 at the grocery store, so I wanted to jump on that. So the first thing I did is I made my grits. I did the 5-minute grits, which is this container right here. I used a cup of milk, a cup of water, a dash of salt, and I put that on and I got it to boil, and then I added a half a cup of the 5-minute grits, and I just let them go on medium heat, and I stirred them. So they're done. You can tell they are done. Now the next thing is we need to add an egg. And these things are harder than Satan's toenails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to beat my egg, and then I'm going to temper my egg so it won't scramble. So I'm just going to do just a little bit of grits in there to kind of temper them a little bit so they will not scramble in this, because you don't want scrambled eggs in your grits. So let me temper that egg. That's working good. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Alright, let's put that in there. Stir it up good. And I'm going to do a couple of dashes of pepper, black pepper, and a little dash of salt. I've already put a little salt in my water. And then I'm going to do some garlic powder. Alright, and you can easily double this recipe, guys. It would be very easy to double. Alright, let me stir all that in. Alright, now I'm going to add my egg. I've tempered my egg. I'm going to add it in there. Stir it up well. And then it calls for half a cup of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan, or you could use shredded if you want. I just had grated. That's what I keep on hand. Okay, let's put that in there. All right, stir that well. And then it calls for 1 cup of pimento cheese. Like I said, you can make your own if you want, but I just wanted to use this because it looked. Well, I like the Pimento brand. I have bought it many times, and like I said, I do have homemade that I make sometimes, but I thought this would be a good shortcut since I'm wanting to do these grits. I love grits. I like just grits for breakfast too with my eggs or whatever. It's a good meal. But we're just going to stir this up. It's probably going to melt that cheese. A lot of that cheese is going to melt in it, which is fine. And once again, you can make this recipe a lot bigger if you want. Okay, you can triple it. I halved it actually, based on the regular recipe, because it's just me and I don't need all that. Now my mom would probably enjoy this, but my husband would not. All right, now I've got me just a small casserole dish. You can use like a 9x9. This is kind of equal to a 9x9 or 8x8. And I sprayed it with cooking spray, so I'm just going to put this in here. It already smells amazing without it even being baked, but we bake it with that egg in it. It's going to kind of set up like a casserole, I guess. But you could probably eat it just like this. But like I said, I want to try baking it. All right, now. And that's what she's looking like, guys. So I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to cook it for about 25-30 minutes, and I'll check it, and then I'm going to bring it out, and we're going to taste it together, okay? I'll be back in just a little bit. Hey, everybody. Welcome back. Okay, I got my pimento cheese grits out of the oven. I cooked them for like 32 minutes at 350, and this is what they're looking like. They're all good and nice and set. They're beautiful. They smell amazing. I cannot wait to crack into this, and I'm going to spoon me a little bit of this out. It is very, very hot. Hotter than Satan's toenails. But man, don't they look good. I know it's going to be good. And it's gonna have a little spice in it. Remember, I got the jalapeno pimento cheese. Lord have mercy. Woo! That's delicious. Guys, y'all need to try this. Now, I'm gonna make me some crab legs today. I'm gonna be doing a video on that as well, but this right here, hot. Full of flavor, comforting, warm. Make you some fish or some shrimp with it. Or you could just have it as a side with your country meal, like fried chicken or whatever, but I think it would be great with shrimp or fish. And like I said, I'm having it with crab legs today. So anyway, that is amazing, guys. You need to make this. And like I said, you can half it, you can triple it, you can double it, whatever. If you're feeding a crowd, if you're not feeding that many. Guys, this is half the recipe, and that's how much it made. That would easily feed 4 to 6 people. So if you doubled it, it would be huge. But anyway, yum, yum, yum. So, guys, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marsha, and don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.